Is it too late to start a network marketing business or a direct sales business in 2020? Most ask that question. So guys, stick around this video. We got some updates. We got some information that we definitely want to be sharing. So tune in. What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, everybody? Hey, you know what it is. I got my Chiefs apparel on, man. You know, Patrick's my homeboy. That's who we rocking with. It is Christmas time in the area, so you might see my tree. Right now, I got the Mandalorian. Been watching the Mandalorian, and I wanted to take some time out to shoot a video. A lot of people been asking me. They're saying, Jay, is the industry too flooded? You know, in 2020, I'm looking to start a business. Is the industry flooded? And I want to say, no, it's not.
Hell no, come on, hell no.
Guys, there's so many niches that are out there that people are joining or jumping into because they're going where their heart is at. You know, like I mentioned in previous videos, there's things like weight loss, relationships, affiliate marketing. You know, in affiliate marketing, there's a lot of things that is under that umbrella that I just mentioned. Like I said, relationships, information, how to make money online, weight loss. There's so many things, woodwork. There's so many things that people are doing that you can be involved in and become an affiliate with, that sky's the limit. And I always tell myself this, there's somebody right now eating cereal at a table, man, thinking about ways that can take over the world, while there's somebody right now that's just not doing anything. You know, that's just still watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos, watching a whole bunch of online stuff. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. You know, the World Wide Web can be a gift, it can be a curse. You know, you got people that are making money, then you got people that are on here doing the wrong thing. And as I mentioned, I always try to tell people, know your worth. More than anything, know your worth. You know, if you know your worth, you'll know exactly what you're doing here. You know, so there's people with big audiences online, and they don't know how to use them. You know, they're using them for play, per se. You know, is that they want to get on, they want to joke, they want to talk about people, they want to make fun of people. And at that expense, you can be utilizing that same audience to generate leads and make money. You can say, guys, the same way that you share information regarding Disney Plus, like I'm watching right now, right? How many people were around telling everybody, hey, you can get Disney Plus for this, and then you can turn around and get Hulu and ESPN, and it's a great deal. And how many people signed up? But did Disney give you a commission? Disney did not. Disney did not give you a commission. So do something that will give you a commission. How many people went out and, I'm a Marvel guy, and I went and told everybody, hey, the Black Widow trailer just dropped, and it's this, it's that, it's this, it's that. Guess what I just did? Put the hype in the air for people to go spend their money to go see Black Widow, and then all the money's gonna be made with Disney. Where's my cut? You see what I'm saying? You guys, we're trying to show you that you can become an affiliate. There's ways that you can make money in this business from just being a part of something and sharing information, and sky's the limit because there's so many niches that are out here that people are involved in. Guys, you gotta understand that not everybody wants to do the same thing, okay? Not everybody's into making money online. Not everybody wants to do that and want to be in that type of niche. But some people may want to be in, I want to share information regarding on how to lose weight, and saying that you can take these supplements, or these are supplements that I have that you can purchase from me, and I'm helping people that way. And also in the same time, I'm generating income. So my whole main focus is not to try to sell you a Facebook marketing product. You see what I'm saying? Some people might want to just jump in and say, hey, I just want to sell weight loss. I don't want to sell no informational products or nothing. I just want to sell weight loss products. That's literally it. That's all. There's people that just want to sell relationship information. They don't want to sell how to make money information. So you guys got to understand that, no, the market is not flooded. It's not too late. Okay? And as I mentioned, guys, I'm involved in a couple programs as far as low ticket programs, medium ticket, and high ticket programs. So, I have residual income that I have on small scales that come in, where I have multiple people paying $25 here, have multiple people paying residual income. I'm getting overrides in other programs. And then I have high ticket programs where they're one-time commissions where, like I said, you can make anywhere in this program, anywhere between 25 to $2,000. Think about being at home or out with your family, and we've showed you guys again how to do ads. We showed you how to do Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, because you want to think like businesses. You want to think like a business. Do you see Walmart posting on everybody's wall? Check out our new items. Check out our Black Friday deals. They don't do that. They do ads. They advertise. And that's what we try to teach our people to do, is advertise. Have things in place. We have things in place that's going to show you how to pretty much put your business on autopilot. So when you're advertising and people are requesting information, we have bots that we're giving the information. So then that way you look up, you're like, oh man, someone just checked out my website. Oh man, that person just signed up. Oh man, I just made a commission. That's a beautiful thing, guys. So I wanted to be the one to let you guys know that there's information out there and there's things that you can do to be involved in that. So that's why I'm taking my time out to shoot this YouTube video, guys, to let you know it's not too late. Don't let no one tell you or keep you away from doing something that could better you and your family. As I mentioned my previous video, the economy is changing. Okay, it's not the same. It's not a corporate America economy anymore. This is going into entrepreneurships, because now corporate America is trying to save their money. As I mentioned this, guys, they're looking for ways to cut. So the first person that gets cut once automation comes in is that person on the front line that all the money's going to. Jobs are being lost. Why do you think that there's presidents that are presidential candidates, and I like this guy, Andrew. I don't think Andrew's still in it, but I don't know. You guys let me know that. I ain't been following this election stuff, man, too crazy lately. I ain't too thrilled right now. So, but I like what he was talking about, was about how, the economy, he wanted to give $1,000 per month to everyone. And there would be some people that are going to F it off. We know that. And there would be some people that would invest it. Some people would use it to make more money. Some people would use it to get ahead. Some people would use it to just extra money and play around with. But eventually I heard that, even Elon Musk said there needs to be a world currency, where there needs to be, where people are going to be getting a certain income, because they're going to be robots. They're going to be working and taking all the jobs, and people are not going to be able to work. Think about it. That stuff is scary. That stuff is really scary. So right now, we're trying to teach people how to utilize the web. How to utilize all these social media platforms that you can use it for your business, as opposed to, excuse my language, shits and giggles. Okay? I see a lot of people doing a lot of endless scrolling. There's nothing wrong with being social, but also utilize that as a platform to double up and fatten your pockets. Okay? Now, with that being said, guys, like I mentioned, I always have links at the bottom here. So if you guys are interested in making any type of, like I said, commissions, I have programs where we actually, establish credit. We have, we'll help you establish your credit. If you do work a 9-to-5, how to put an additional, $200 to $500 back in your paycheck and increase your credit class. Okay. We also have programs that are marketing systems that pretty much puts all your businesses on autopilot. That has full training, that has leads in the back office that you can purchase. So we make everything easy for you. Pretty much serving it up on a platter. To say, here you go, check it out. And then you have someone like me that you're exposed to pretty much reach out to, guys. So as I mentioned, like I said, these videos are going to come back more and more because your boy's 100. Right now, I'm feeling real good, man. I can't complain. God has blessed me. I had this lupus flare up. Now I'm back, guys. So I appreciate you guys that stuck it out with me. The videos have dropped a little bit, but we're going to get them back up. That's not a problem. We fall, we get back up. Okay? So I wanted to share some time out I want to take some time out to share this video to say, guys, it's never too late to start a business, man. And also, start a YouTube while you're at it. Right now, you guys have an advantage. There's so much information right now that you can utilize off of YouTube as far as information, analytics. And let me break this down a little bit, because now we're going to go into a little bit of training. So just kind of give me your ears a little bit, okay? So there's a lot of analytics online here as far as YouTube videos. You can utilize TubeBuddy, Video IQ. That's another one, and they're going to give you information about popular videos, what tags are being used, what descriptions were being used, the content of the video. And what you want to do, guys, is kind of take the same content, flip it and make it your own thing. So you see if these are popular videos that you're finding and searching that's in your niche, and you pretty much redo it. Don't copy it, just redo it. Put your own spin, your flavor on it, and you redo it, and you make it your own video. And that's how you start getting a gain and a step above people, you know? So I wanted to take some quick time out on that, guys, you know? So TubeBuddy's going to help you with your keyword research. So if you're researching, you know, if it's a popular, you know, how to make $500 a week online, and you know people are searching that, you want to take those type of keywords. You want to make videos that are around that, you know? So when people are searching this, they're going to find you. You want to be that one that they find, and you want to be that one that is that they're relating to, and that they want to join. Okay, I'm not perfect. I'm learning, and that's why a lot of people rock with me. So because I'm an original. I'm real. I speak the truth. I'm not out here flashing cash and doing all this and that, guys. I've showed you a lot of spoils that I have. I can show you all kind of things, but that doesn't mean you're gonna do the exact same thing as soon as I show it to you. You can get there. It's achievable, but you have to put in the work. Literally. Give yourself 6 to a year's worth of learning first before you just quit. Learn the business, and I guarantee you, you will not quit. Because you're going to learn business. You're going to be like, man, I'm learning this stuff. And not only am I learning this for my business, I can utilize this to start my own business, because now I'm generating leads to my business. I can go out and talk to these different businesses and companies and say, you know, I'll help you generate leads. I'll help you build capture pages so you can funnel leads into your business, where you can reach out and talk to your clients, potential clients. You see what I'm saying? It's all about taking this information, seeing how you can utilize it best, even with your businesses that you're doing online. And if you want to start something else outside of that online business that you're doing, so be it. So be it. But don't let anyone stop you from doing or going to that next level. As I just mentioned, it's a kid right now sitting down at a table eating cereal. I ain't going to say kid, a person and a kid. Figuring out right now how they're going to take over the world and get to the next level in their business, or take over the world. So while you're sitting back, lacking, slacking, they moving. They moving. So don't let nobody get the move on you. It's not too late. It's time to make moves. All right? I got some links at the bottom, guys. Like I said, unlimited 250 commissions. Pretty much unlimited 120, 25, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, $2,000 commissions. Getting paid every Friday, residuals. So you can do it, okay? Click the link at the bottom, guys. All right, I got all this information at the bottom, man. Check it out. You know, if you're interested in doing something and partnering with me, just click any of those links. I got them all at the bottom, okay? So it's about me encouraging you guys, letting you know that this is real. I'm a real person, guys. I talk about my favorite football teams all the time. I tell you, I'm in KC. I'm a real person. I make money just like anyone else, but you don't see me out here flashing a whole bunch of stuff. I'm just going to be real and let you know you can do this. This is real, and I got your back. Don't worry about no sponsors. So in the next video, keep your eye out. You know, a lot of people do sponsor shopping, so we're going to let them stay in the witness protection plan. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.